Sometimes it is hard to teach your human a new trick. For example, my owners have just decided to replace their old windows with new energy-efficient ones. While this may seem smart at first, the next steps they take are not quite so smart. You see, my owners have very busy lives away from home, and they just simply do not have a lot of extra time to waste. Even the thought of letting a trained, high-pressure salesman into their home makes them wish for a better, more easy way to buy windows.
Oh, I want to do something fun this weekend, and instead, I am going to be stuck at home listening to a boring sales pitch for 3 hours. I can just imagine it now. He will probably not leave until we decide. Why do I have to even listen to this stuff? I have already done my research, and all I need now is a price.
If you do not make a decision right now, there will be serious consequences. My humans learn the best from negative reinforcements, such as a pushy salesman.
Why didn't I just call Zen Windows and get a price that works for us by email? It is decided. We are getting our new windows from Zen Windows.
They may not be the fastest learning humans I have ever trained, but in the end they always make good decisions. Now with all the hassle gone, things are back to normal, and I can get back to what is important. And that is made easy when you just do this. Relax. Window quotes in 5 minutes.